all of these mug cakes have made me so happy because they satisfy your sugar craving. They are low carb, they're high protein, and guess what? They're absolutely delicious. And it took us only 1 minute in a microwave. So decadent, so delicious, and oh my god, I love this one. The flavors of banana and peanut butter is just melting in your mouth. This one is more gooey out of the other ones because this one we use, like I said, a lot of cheese. Wow. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Healthy Eats with Priya. We all have sugar cravings, especially at night, and then the whole day of following a high protein, low carb diet goes for a toss. But today's video is very special because we're going to see how to satisfy that sugar craving. So in this video, I bring 3 mug cakes to satisfy your sugar craving. Again, it's high protein, low carb. I'm going to bring in the chocolate high protein mug cake, which will also have a little bit of gooey lava center. I'm going to also make strawberry cheese mug cake for strawberry lovers. I'm also going to be bringing in banana and peanut butter mug cake. Without further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. So we're going to start off with chocolate high protein mug cake. And for the ingredients, I'm going to be using the blanched almond flour. I'm going to also use the unsweetened almond milk, the no sugar added chocolate chips, 1 egg, my favorite protein powder from Clean Simple Eats with super clean ingredients, 100% cocoa, unsweetened cocoa powder, and then the baking powder. So let's start making our mug cake. I'm going to do 1 scoop of almond flour, half a scoop of vanilla protein powder, 1 egg, half tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder, and then I'm going to put the almond milk, just a little bit. Let's mix all the ingredients together. So we want to give it a good stir. So everything is mixed in together. So I'm just like taking my time and stirring it. We don't want lumps in our cake. And then to make this mug cake extra special, because who doesn't love lava cake, I'm going to put in a little bit of my unsweetened chocolate chips right in the center, guys. Let's keep this in microwave for 60 seconds. It's as simple as that. Let's take it out of the microwave, and I am super excited. Oh my god! So now that our chocolate mug cake is ready, let's get on to the second mug cake, banana peanut butter. We're going to be reusing a lot of the ingredients we used in the previous recipe. So I'm still going to use my protein powder. I'm still going to use almond flour. Again, like I said, that if you don't care too much about carbs, you can also replace this with oat flour. We're going to use 1 egg. We're going to use peanut butter. And we're going to use half a banana because it's banana peanut butter. Again, we're going to reuse baking powder and the unsweetened almond milk. So I'm going to use half banana. And we're going to mash it. 1 egg, a little bit of almond milk, 1 scoop of almond flour, half a scoop of vanilla protein powder, half tablespoon of baking powder, and then our ingredient which makes this mug cake, peanut butter. I love this peanut butter, guys. I mean, I love the naked peanut butter. It has literally only 1 ingredient, which is organic peanuts. You don't want anything with salt or, sugar. So let's put it together and mix it. Already smells so good. Let's put this mug cake also for 60 seconds in a microwave. Let's take it out of the microwave, and again, I'm excited for my second mug cake. Oh my god! This vanilla peanut butter, look at the texture, guys. I mean, can you tell this is low carb, high protein cake? Whoa. So our 2 mug cakes are ready, and now for people who love strawberries, I got you covered. So the third mug cake is strawberry cream mug cake. For the ingredients, we're going to be using cottage cheese, I'm using the whipped cottage cheese because, I didn't really want to take an extra step of whipping it, but you can always use regular cottage cheese, but make sure you're whipping it. I'm also going to be adding some chef flavor by using the mascarpone cheese. Of course, freshly chopped strawberries, baking powder. We're again going to be reusing our almond flour, and we're going to be reusing our protein powder and 1 egg. So let's start making our strawberry cheese mug cake. I'm going to use 1 scoop of cottage cheese, 1 teaspoon of mascarpone cheese to make it creamy. I'll throw in the chopped strawberries in there, half scoop of vanilla protein powder, 1 scoop of almond flour, egg, and 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder. This one will be very creamy. In the previous 2 recipes, as you guys saw, we used almond milk, but here we're making it creamy because in my opinion, strawberries and cream go so well together, and mixing the cottage cheese with mascarpone cheese would be a good combination because cottage cheese, as we know, is so versatile and so creamy plus high protein, but mascarpone cheese will give it like a chef, that typical bakery cake texture. So I'm going to put my last mug cake in the microwave for a minute. Excited for my third mug cake. Oh my god! And I'm going to put more strawberries on this mug cake. Banana peanut butter, I'm just going to drizzle some extra peanut butter on it. How pretty. And for the chocolate mug cake, we're going to dust some more cocoa powder on it. You want to do it?
Yeah.
So guys, now that our 3 mug cakes are ready, I'm going to call upon my mini critique, the most important judge of these mug cakes, my mother Elenka. But the rule is, she can only taste 1 out of the 3 mug cake. Let me call upon Elenka. Elenka! Hi, Lenka. So this one is strawberry cream mug cake. This is chocolate mug cake, and this is banana and peanut mug cake. Which one do you want to try?
The strawberry.
Okay, please try it and let us know how it went. Oh my gosh.
It's an 8 out of 10.
So now for my tasting part, now that we've heard from Elenka and she really liked the strawberry cheese one, I am going to start with banana and peanut butter because I love peanut butters. I'm telling you, the flavors of banana and peanut butter is just melting in your mouth, and you would not even believe that it's low carb, high protein cake, which is satisfying your sugar cravings. Second is the chocolate mug cake. Let me try it. Look at this chocolate cake, the chocolate melting. Let me go ahead and take a bite. I'm telling you, so decadent, so delicious. I love chocolate, and oh my god, I love this one. And the last one is the strawberry cream cheesecake. Let me see. This one is more gooey out of the other ones because this one we use, like I said, a lot of cheese. But let's taste it. Wow. All of these mug cakes have made me so happy because they satisfy your sugar craving without added sugar. They are low carb, they're high protein, and guess what? They're absolutely delicious. What better can it be, right, guys? So, I love all the mug cakes, but my favorite is the banana and peanut butter because I love peanut butter, and I'm telling you, the taste of peanut butter combined with banana, it made my heart go zoom. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. I'm going to come back with more healthy recipes. Stay healthy, keep smiling everyone, and see you guys next time. Bye and love you all.